Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I am going to discuss how you can add timestamp in your video. I am going to explain everything so you can understand and add timestamp in your video. So first I am going to open my YouTube, and now you can see I upload a video in my YouTube channel. There are three things you need to remember. First, stamps start with 00. This is your first timestamp start. And now, second, we need at least 3 stamps in our video. At least 3 stamps in our video. And third, we need minimum 10-second duration each timestamp. So you need these 3 things. So now I'm going to discuss about 00s. So you see there are 3 00s. So the first one is our hours. And the second one is our minute. And the third one is our second. We use timestamp like this: 00, 00 and 00. You guys already know the first one is hours, and this one is minute, and the third one is second. So guys, write our first timestamp in our YouTube video. So for this I'm going to write something. From here you can write timestamp, or you can write chapter. Whatever you like, you can write it in the beginning. So now I'm going to copy this. The first one is our introduction. So I write introduction. You can choose as your own. You can write your necessary name. So I'm writing introduction. So 00 is our introduction. Then we add another chapter. So I'm going to play my video.
Yeah, I'm going to say hi, but when the fire, you have a little fire, and then let's let I have to let the fire with the hat at the books. I thought that it's a kind of it, and then let the fire. And
so now I'm going to add another chapter. We need to write the chapter name. Now I'm going to start this chapter for 34 seconds. And the last one is conclusion. So I'm going to add my conclusion. Now this time I used my original video to show you. So you can see this result. So I'm click on save. And now I'm going to my channel again. I'm going to open my video. Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. If I click on introduction, hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, and if I click on the virus demo, you can see it will automatically add my chapter. I just click on Windows Explorer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, then please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.